I don't know, man. Giant tax bill.
Oh
That's
yeah,
that's
yeah. Sucks making money, huh?
I know it's the worst.
It's the
Life was so
so
much
hard to be
easier.
profitable.
Yeah, yeah. Especially if all of our profits just went into last year's taxes. No, it's like
Not all of your profits went into last
all
year's
all
taxes.
of our profit this year so far are paying off the taxes from last year.
Okay, that's very different. This year so far
For
is a
sure.
quarter of the year.
For sure. For sure. For sure. For sure. Yeah. No, it's good. It's